How to use Zoom. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. Open up your any web browser and then at the search bar type in Zoom. At this page, go on to sign in. Now Zoom requires you to create an account. Either you can sign in with your Google account or Facebook account. Click on to sign in with Google. And now once you choose which Google account you want to sign up with Zoom, you will be required to enter some information such as check this box and make sure you are 16 to 17, then click on to create account. Fill out this form and then click on to continue again. Once you have done that, then click on to go to my account. Now after creating a Zoom account, you will be seeing this page. Here you will see join and host. Now let's click on to join. If your colleagues or your friends have shared a link that will direct you to their Zoom video call, paste the link here and click on join. Let's go back. Again at this page, if you want to host a meeting, then go on to host tab. Here you will see with video off, video on and share screen only. Now for instance, I'm going to show this with share screen only. Click on to launch meeting. You will be required to install Zoom application in your PC. Once you've done that, open your Zoom application. Then after, you need to sign in, click on Google. Now select which screen you want to share. For instance, I'm going to take whiteboard, then click on to share. You will see join audio. If you want to speak, then click on to join audio. If you want to start a video or show your face, then click on start video. Till now, the participants are only me, but if you have any other friends and colleagues that are joining your meeting, then you will see them in this list. Beside is the chat option, which you can click to send a message, which will be visible to every participant. Now, if you want to pause the screen that's been sharing, then click on pause share, and you can just unpause when you want. If you go on to more, you will see this end option. You will see two options, that is end meeting for all and leave meeting. If you want to end the meeting at all, then you can click end meeting. But if you leave the meeting, however, the meeting will continue for other participants. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and we will see you in our next upload.